Hey kids, that's right, pig pen. Now, we've got a little problem. We've got an oil leak. Where? I don't know. Under somewhere? In there. And, I don't know if you've ever been in a car before, it's pretty dark. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our WARSUN LED flashlight here, the T9 Pro. We're going to crawl underneath that thing. And not only are we going to crawl underneath that thing, we're going to dig around under the hood and see what's going on, because we're getting a low oil pressure light too. Fantastic, huh? Yep, well, let's get over there. Okay, we made it. It's right there. All right, simple power button right there. Boom. See that? We're going to get down in here. Let's see if we can see something. Well, got a valve cover leak. That's something. Oof. This car definitely earned the name Pigpen. Even with the light being out, the sun being out, still got, this is very bright underneath the hood. You guys want to see what I'm looking at? All right, come on. Okay, we're looking right down here. You see that? That's a mess. That looks like a leak. And I think we got one back there too. Yeah. Tell you what, this car needs something. I'm gonna have to weigh the pros and cons of this thing. Peyton might end up with a Tacoma. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna check the oil now. Before we check the oil, we're gonna check this out. Look at that. We got one there too. I mean, oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. We're gonna definitely need that underneath the car. This also has 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah, this is really bright. Yeah, we got a little oil there. Yep. Intake manifold, maybe? Might be rats in there, I don't know. Oh, gosh. All right. Let's check this. Put that right in the pocket so we don't lose it. I don't know if you guys remember, but I lose stuff. Wow. Oh, yeah, it's good. Yeah, we're down some, a little bit, maybe. I mean, it's above the safe mark, so you're probably okay, but still. Nice night, though. Yeah, we're still good. I don't know. You guys, yep. Well, we're at it. Let's check this guy. Oof, we need transmission service. It doesn't smell like burnt hair yet, but, you know. It says it must be idling in park, but there's a lot of fluid in there. It's just brown. So, I gotta decide if we want to do that. Almost lost it. Oh, this is even better. USB-C charge. Telling you what, boy. This thing is great. Hey, watch it. You know what we gotta do now? Gotta get underneath it. Took my glasses off so I can't see. I think I'm gonna have to check this up. A little lowish. I want to show you something else though before we get under there. So I was looking at Peyton's car, right? And found some problems. Check it out. I definitely didn't need a light to see that. Tire's toast. It's toast. Look at that. All the way around. Weather checked bad. So that meant I got to order tires yesterday. Yep. Well, let's get under there. Hey, welcome to the ground. I can see that there's stuff under there. Yeah, I got a leak. Yep. Y'all see? Okay, hold on. See that spot right there? Yeah, he's leaking. Okay. Yeah, it's coming off the bell housing. But we're not low, so we got a leak though. You can see it right there. But see right here too. See that? Great. Oh, this one rust right there. It was pretty greasy. Okay, well, got an idea where it's coming from. Well, we're at it. Let me get up in here. Yeah, got a little rust, but nothing bad. A little greasy. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's check this side out. All right, let's take a look at this side. I can see something, anything back here. This flashlight is really good. Look at that. I don't see anything goofy. Let's get underneath this side. Whoop. Let's get underneath this side and see if we can see that leak a little better, because I don't see anything over here. Yeah, that's right there, isn't it? Yep. It says to me it's probably a rear seal. Then it becomes the question, do we really bother even changing that or fixing it, you know? Because it's not like it's a brand new car. It's only, 20 years old. Okay. Got stuff laying on the ground. So we're back in the shop now. Let's talk about what we learned with the car. And get my glasses. Sorry. All right. This is made by WARSUN. This is the T9 Pro, and it is, of course, got a lithium battery in there. It's rechargeable. It has an SOS that you can use it for climbing. Also, it has a strap you can put on your wrist. I like the clip because I put it on my pocket. This thing's great. I mean, seriously. You guys saw everything that was underneath the car. That was bad. All right, it does come with, a destruction sheet and specs and all that. That's pretty cool. What did we learn about Peyton's car, though? We learned it needs some help, doesn't it? Don't throw this or strike it because it'll damage it. It's good for -20 to -20 Celsius to +40 Celsius, so that's quite a range. You can long press, and you got a strobe. That's pretty cool. You got low, medium, high. I showed you those. Double click the side light switch, you get a flashing red light. For Clyde. Man, he's got it all. And then I still got this guy, this infrared or UV. Yep, telling you, man. I like this light a lot. So what we learned, Peyton's car needs to go see the doctor again, and thanks to our WARSUN light, we were able to find out where that leak was coming from and check out the front suspension. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this, because frankly, pretty darn excited about this. This is actually something I'll probably we'll just keep right in the glove box in Peyton's car, because it's not gonna hurt anything to have an extra light, because you gotta be able to see. So I want you guys to click that link down there, right to this, and I think we all know the T9 Pro from WARSUN is Honest Paint Speech approved. That's right. Approved. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Check these guys out. Do not sleep on it. It's a heck of a light, and I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. So, I'm going to go make an appointment for Peyton's car. Keep on right, you kids.